Alright, so welcome back to JNUC, and my name is Calvin Fu. So in today's video, I want to talk about this Chinese e-commerce platform called Pinduoduo, which is an interactive Chinese platform also. And so we're going to talk about, firstly, what is Pinduoduo, how Pinduoduo works, and also the pros and cons of this app, as well as some of my personal opinions. And also, this episode is going to be a turning point of my channel, because from now on, I will start to speak English to share about Chinese businesses, Chinese companies, and also how Chinese modern society look like. So it's kind of terrifying because I'm speaking a different language, as English is my second language, and I'm from China. So it's gonna be an interesting thing to do, and we'll see how this goes. So if you're new, please consider subscribe, and that means a lot to me. Alright, so let's talk about what is Pinduoduo first. So Pinduoduo is an e-commerce website, right? You can basically buy almost everything from tissues, toilet paper to TV, blow dryer, like everything. But it's definitely more than that. It's an interactive e-commerce platform. When you translate Pinduoduo into English, Pinduoduo into English, it means together, more savings, and more fun. So they basically merge the strength of Alibaba and Tencent in e-commerce and social media. And also they kind of rely heavily on WeChat, which is the largest social media platform in China. They want to create this social circle inside of Pinduoduo. And also with the cheap product and social media combined together, they want to create this virtual world to offer a fun and engaging shopping experience. And also their target audience is not from tier 1 city like Beijing, Shanghai. Their main target customers are from tier 3 cities or even lower, and including some rural area, because these people, they do not really have that much money, and sometimes they do not have the privilege to shop online. So Pinduoduo kind of want to create this opportunity for them to shop online. And this business model is pretty successful. They've been growing really fast since they first launched in 2015. And so in 2020, Pinduoduo said they had more than 600 million active buyers already. That's almost half of the Chinese population. So they are a really fast-growing rival to under Alibaba and JD.com in China. Alright, so let's talk about how Pinduoduo works now. Let's talk about Amazon first. So when you shop on Amazon, right, you are just shopping alone, and there's only one standard price. But for Pinduoduo, when you log into Pinduoduo and see the user interface, you're going to receive two pricing options, the standard price and also the discount price. So if you want to unlock this huge discount to buy with a discount price, there are two steps you can do. So firstly, you can initiate a new team purchase. That means you can invite your friends on social media like WeChat, QQ. So let's say if you want to buy this blow dryer, you can share this link to your friends and say, hey, I'm looking to buy this blow dryer. Maybe you guys can join me. And if they join you, then you guys form this group and can buy this together, and then receive, all of you guys can receive this huge discount. If you don't want to invite your friends or family, you can also wait for formation of team. That means you can record a message, you can write a message, say, hey, I want to buy this blow dryer. I think it's a really good product, and I think you guys can join me. And if somebody see it, and if somebody also want to buy this product, they can join you. And then you two can just form a team and receive this discount and get the product shipped to your door. But there's another step. If you don't want to initiate a new team purchase, you can also join an existing team purchase. Let's say when you want to buy this blow dryer, you don't want to invite your friends, but you see there's another guy who initiate a team purchase already, and then you can just join him, and then you two can buy together. But what if, let's say, you don't have any friends, or you don't want to make any friends? Then you just shop alone, right? You just pay for the standard price, which is way more expensive than the discount price. And also, if you want to receive this huge discount for some product, there are minimum buyers required. And also, you guys have to finish forming this team in 24 hours. Otherwise, you're just not able to buy this product with a discount price. So it's kind of like the more people that join in, the lower the price the item goes. And also, Pinduoduo is definitely not just a shopping app, right? It's an interactive shopping app. That means you can interact with other people. So you can message other people on this platform, and you can see your friends' activities. You can message your friends, you can add different friends, and you can also see what your friends are buying. The bad thing is if you want to buy something that is super personal, you know what I mean, right? So you don't want any other people to see it. So you definitely gotta be careful. And also there's another interesting feature on this Pinduoduo app is you can actually do live stream. You can also watch other people do live stream, right? Because back in US, you basically just do live stream on Instagram, but now in China, you can do live stream on TikTok, you can do live stream on Pinduoduo. Live stream is actually really important in China because almost all Chinese platforms have live stream now. And also all these internet celebrities, they rely live stream to promote their products. So if you want to know more, you can leave a comment down below, and I love to share more about Chinese live stream business. So basically there are so many features on Pinduoduo, and it's really easy for you to spend countless hours because there are so many features. And also for Pinduoduo, this team purchasing and social shopping model, they basically want to encourage users to share links and to items they purchase with friends and participate in group buying to receive this huge discount. So let's talk about the pros and cons of this app as a user's viewpoint with some of my own opinions. Let's talk about the pros first. So firstly, it's a pretty interesting app, right? Because before this app, if you want to shop with your friends, you have to go to an actual store and to shop with your friends. But now with Pinduoduo, you just shop with your friends online on this app, especially for some young people and the young generation that we're kind of lazy. We don't really like to go to an actual store anymore. So we love to shop online. It's kind of like a hobby. And almost everything is affordable. And also they, like what I said before, their main customers are from tier 3 cities or lower because they want people who do not have that much money can also enjoy online shopping. And also you can basically find almost everything. All right, so let's talk about the cons. The first one I think is it's really easy for you to spend a lot of money. I mean, even though the products are really cheap, but because they are pretty cheap and it's pretty interactive, it's really easy for you to get addicted to this app and keep shopping. And also Pinduoduo, they put a lot of efforts on this personal recommendation, so they keep recommending products you like. It's like TikTok, they keep recommending the videos you want to watch, right? So that means it's also really easy for you to spend countless hours on this app. You might spend half a day on just this shopping app. And because the products are really cheap, so the qualities might not be really good, and also there are a lot of fake products. So it feels like Pinduoduo does not really have a good reputation online and also from the tier 1 cities like Beijing, Shanghai. But it can also be a good thing because their main customers are from tier 3 cities, and people don't really care about the quality or if it's a fake or not. Let's say if my grandma want to watch TV, she doesn't have a TV, but if she want to buy a TV from an actual store, it might cost her like, let's say around $300, I'm just guessing. But she doesn't want to pay that much. She just want a TV to watch. And then she goes on Pinduoduo and just buy a TV with maybe $100 or $50 to buy this TV. So it's pretty affordable. So some people care about the quality of the products, and some people, they don't really care. They just want the product to be cheap and it's usable. That's it. So in conclusion, I think some people like it and some people don't. But I think it's a pretty interesting app, and also it was a really revolutionary Chinese product. So what do you think? And I would love to hear your thoughts. You can leave a comment down below and to tell me what you think. And also it's the first episode for me to speak English, to share about Chinese apps and Chinese business. So I don't know how this goes. But if you enjoy this video, definitely like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.